Hello everybody, and I am Slesha Gupta back here on my channel Junior Coder. And in today's video, I will be telling you that how can you get courses on Coursera for free, because most of the courses are paid. They provide really awesome courses, but they are paid, so most of the time we are not able to buy them and we are not able to avail the benefits. So in today's video, I'll be telling you that how can you get it for free. Actually, what I did was I applied for financial aid, and I had to pay literally no money for that, and I got the courses for free. Two courses for which I applied was the crash course on Python and programming for everybody using Python. So both were of Python only, and I just submitted my application for that, and they were of like 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, and I got them for free. My aid financial aid was approved. So I'll show you my application so that you might also get an idea that how we have to write an application so that it gets successful and you can get your course for free. So like here I wrote my educational background, about the annual income and all, your employment status. That's all really personal, like what it all depends on your maybe you are a student, maybe you might be an elder, maybe you might be a working professional, so it depends upon you. But the main thing that matters over here is that the two questions. First is that why are you applying for a financial aid. So for this, you can read once. Actually, I took some of the content from online, and some of I edited it somewhat, and then I wrote it about myself also. So what you need to do is don't just simply copy and paste it from online, because otherwise if they'll come to know, gradually they will come to know that you have copied and pasted it from any online website or online article. So if they come to know, your application will get rejected. So please, I would request you that make some slight changes in that, so that it might not look copied. And then what you need to do is, uh, that what how will this course help you to reach the goal. That's again a long answer, you need to write it in detail. And again I took it from online only, but I just made some corrections in it so that it should not look copied. And I wrote some of my material as well to make it look nice. So again I'm telling that don't ever just copy and paste it. Write your own material and take idea from online. So that was the thing, and I wrote it, and then I got financial aid approved for two courses. How you do it, like I'm taking any random course over here. So I took this course, and when you go from here, where if you click on enroll, they will ask you to pay for it. So you need not do anything over here, you just cross it and click on financial aid available. So what you will do is continue to the application. You will click on next, and after clicking on next, you will get a form sort of page like as we saw previously one of my application, and then you need to fill it. Yeah, so that way. So all those things you have to write. It actually just copied and pasted from my previous one, but I'll not be using it. I'll make changes to it. And then what you need to do is, from here you need to uh, check check this box, and again you need to write that how would it help in uh, achieving your goals. And you then again can do all this thing. And then when you will click on review, it will be submitted, and it might take 2 to 3 weeks, and then you will get a mail regarding the same, that it was approved or not. And if you don't get a mail, from here you can go to purchases, and from here also you can check that was it successful or not. For now I'm not submitting it because I don't want this course. for my financial aid, because you need to use it wisely, because you have only a limited number of turns. It's not that you're taking 100 courses and you have applied for 100 financial aid. So it is limited, so use it wisely. And I hope that today's video was helpful. If you find any doubt or any mistake in this video, please feel free to ask in the comment section or tell me in the comment section, and I will try my best to correct it. And thanks a lot for watching.